And that is the beauty of direct response marketing. It makes it easy to track whether it's working or not. Just by show of hands, how many of you have experienced frustration at some point running your business when it comes to marketing because you're not sure if it's working or not? Let me just see show of hands. How many people have ever wondered if their marketing is working or not? Pretty much everybody in the room, right? And the beauty of direct response is that is the philosophy and the tool that helps you cut through all of that. Because it becomes an objective answer. Are people clicking on my ads? Are they coming into my office? Are they scheduling consultations or not? It creates accountability. There's a reason that most marketing vendors today don't talk about direct response, and it's because it creates accountability. They do not want to be held accountable. Nothing makes your average marketing agency squeam and squirm and freak out more than the concept of immediate accountability. It's not, hey, give me 6 months and see what happens. It's, listen, is the campaign working or not? It's data-driven. So direct response allows you to cut through that bullshit and get an answer. Is it working or is it not?